Rufus? How do you feel? That's great. I'm gonna go ahead and sit your bed rest up, so stay still. Just a little more. There you go. Is that okay? Awesome, awesome. So you'll only be taking this prescription for 1 more week or so. You're almost out of here. Okay, just take these 2 and I'll put your bed rest right back down. Great, Rufus, great. Here you go. Rufus? Okay.
Last trip before going off to college there, Rufus. Are you excited? Yeah.
You've grown up so quick.
Watch out!
Congratulations to Rufus Gritch, who will be graduating with high honors in a concentration in pre-law. He will be attending the prestigious Harvard University for his master's in the fall.
The food was amazing, Rufus.
Nothing less for a lady like you. I'd love to take you on a second date.
Well, I'd love to join you. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Jeremy, why are you in my office?
They dropped Kalani's case, sir.
Get on the phone with Bob right now. Give me the phone. Bob,
Hello?
what the fuck?
Whoa, Rufus, calm down.
I feel like your work is consuming you, Rufus. You never make time for me or the kids anymore.
Look, honey, I had this passion before I had you or the kids. Hi, Rufus. What is it? You have cancer.
Are you there?
Honey, Rufus, stay with us. Honey,
Rufus, come on.
stay with us.
Stay through it, Rufus.